To make some really cool refrigerator magnets, what I'm going to do is take a rock like this. I don't know what material this is actually, but it's really cool. I'm going to glue it to a magnet. We just kind of a box of magnets here we've collected over time. There's some bigger like ceramic magnets, and then we have some neodymium magnets in here. Some really small magnets, those are really small. Hard drive magnets, you can see that one there. So just a good selection of magnets in there. These are the two that I've narrowed it down to, either this small neodymium magnet or this big ceramic magnet. I think I'm going to use this small neodymium magnet just because it won't stick off the edges. It fits a little bit better than this. So let's go ahead and glue this on with some 5-minute epoxy. I don't need much epoxy for this glue to adhere, so I'm just going to get a little bit, and even that may be a little bit too much. We want to mix equal parts came out thinner than what I thought it would be. Mix a 50-50 mix of part A and B. And then make sure we mix this up thoroughly. We get this epoxy at Harbor Freight, and whenever we buy it, we also have a 20% off, and that really gets the price down, and this stuff is cheap. Okay, so I have this mixed up all the way. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the magnet. I might need to get a different applicator so it's not metal. Actually, I'm just gonna put the glue right onto the rock instead of trying to put it on the magnet, because you could imagine with a steel nail trying to apply that to a magnet. So with the epoxy on there, let's go ahead and drop the magnet on just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit and let that epoxy dry or cure. Go ahead and stick it. I can hang anything I want on the refrigerator and it works great, but it looks really cool. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.